Happy National Frozen Food Day.
In my house, it's really Happy National Frozen Fruit and Vegetable Day. That's because frozen fruits and vegetables contain as many minerals and vitamins as fresh. And they're more affordable, and they're really easy to use in a lot of recipes. And today I want to show you how you can make a delicious, low-carb, low-calorie, cheesy broccoli and cauliflower dish. All you need is frozen organic broccoli, along with frozen organic cauliflower, a baking dish, and some cheese and avocado oil. So it's super easy to make. I'm going to show you. Just place the cauliflower and broccoli in the baking dish, like so. Then you're going to sprinkle with avocado oil generously. Season with pepper, Italian seasoning, and sea salt. And you do the same with the cauliflower. And I love this because it's high in fiber, so it really satisfies you. It tastes great on its own, or you can put it on a high fiber cracker or bread and make like a vegetable bruschetta. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake it for 20 minutes. After it's baked, you sprinkle it with 1/4 cup of fat-free mozzarella. And I'll just show you how I do it. You place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes or until the cheese gets chewy.
And this is the final result. Look how cheesy it is, and it's so, so delicious. I mean, look at this. Mm.
I can eat the whole thing. Anyway, if you want to learn how you can lose weight, still enjoy the food you love in a healthier way, go to DarrenMayerWellness.com and sign up for your complimentary 30-minute consultation. I'll see you soon.
So good.